guys, everybody, maghimo ta og pizza. I will show you how to make pizza. Pizza here in Finland. It's very easy. You just have to cook this minced meat, beef minced meat. Let's just cook it and put just very little salt. And after that, let's put this one on our pizza dough. We have pizza dough. And let's put the toppings and put it in oven, and that's all. It's very easy and fast, and it's part of their basic food here in Finland. Is it your basic food also? Is it part of your basic food, pizza? My dear? My dear? I don't know, guys. Maybe. They usually eat pizza here because you can just buy pizza from the store, and then they have pizza there that you just have to put in oven directly. But we have also pizza that you buy the dough and then you can put the toppings yourself. You can choose what toppings you want. So it's how they make pizza here. So I think pizza here is very common food for them. I think so, because it's easy to find them and make them. So that's all, and let's continue later. Okay, and then stretch.
Yes, you must stretch it.
Stretch.
I think it's good idea to put it in the middle first.
Okay. You move like this. Just stretch.
Yes.
Stretch. Let's put them all there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is saucy pizza. Because it adds all the sauce. Good. And let's spread. This one is included in the package.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Ooh. Our pizza is not so stretched.
It's a pizza speciale.
Pizza special by the minced beef. Like this too. Amazing. Oh, good. And let's spread. Homemade pizza. Beefy. My dear's favorite. And also me.
Yes, you are my favorite. If that's what you mean.
This is not your favorite.
You are my only one. Not just favorite. I love.
You don't like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Good. So this is your favorite. And my favorite too. Beefy. And then next to this, the tuna.
It depends what you want to put.
Okay.
They will put tuna.
Let's put tuna, guys. So it's num. Next.
No.
Okay, so next let's put tuna on the pizza. So it will be more flavorful. It's double flavor. Beef and tuna pizza. But it's good, huh? I like it. There's also, have you tried also the mushroom pizza?
Yes.
They also put mushroom beef and mushroom.
Yes. It's also good. It's very basic to put mushrooms also.
Thank you, my dear, for the pizza.
Thank you.
My last pizza of the year.
Yes. This time.
And now let's put the pineapple. Let's just spread it over like that. Right?
Yes.
And it's also tastes good. They fits well together with all the other ingredients, other toppings. Like this. And it's good. It's beautiful. Pineapple. Oh, so beautiful. And the last one, cheese. How to put this like that? Or just
you can just
okay.
put it carefully.
Let's sprinkle the cheese. Cheesy. I really like cheesy pizza, guys. Oh. I think it's yum yum. Good. Wow! And now the oven is ready and we will put it inside. 220 degrees Celsius. And let's put this. Yeah. Oh, let's remove this one.
Yes. Let's remove that.
Let's remove this. And how many minutes we will cook this? We will cook this one in a minute, but it won't be too dry.
Yes. We will just look at it.
Okay.
See, but it's about 15 to 30 minutes. It depends on the oven.
Let's put 15 first.
Yes.
Oh, cheesy! Hello, our pizza is now ready, and look at this one. It's so beautiful, and it's look tasty and crunchy and everything. And let's taste it, and let's see. Let's start devouring them. Nom 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 nom. Devour. Okay, my dear will slice. We will now eat pizza. Nom nom nom. Good. Good. The pizza here is look like this. It's square.
Yes, of course it can be also round, but it's easier to make
Nom nom nom.
square.
Okay, let's start devouring them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.